It's cushion time. I've trimmed Doris's cushion to fit Ethel. I've given it a little bit of a trimming. It's not perfect, and then I've traced around it and cut out a piece, which I'm now using as a template to cut out the other side. Just a little bit wider all the way around, top and bottom, and then I will do a piece that'll come all the way around there, and I'll put old Doris's zipper on the back. So off I go. Those are my little bits and scraps because I kind of went round and evened things up and fine-tuned it. Fine-tuned these two layers. Got my side pieces. Oh yeah, Nana. Kids, it's getting to be a late night, but I'm trying to do this zipper thing here. Watch, I'll show you. Put on. I tried centering it and it wouldn't work, so when I put it on the one side, the right side, it attached fine. And I learned how to take the regular foot off. This here is a new machine for me. Yeah, I've been sewing since I was 12, so that's like, 54 years or something? I'm 66, you figure it out. Yeah. Always wanted a zipper foot, because I lost mine. Yeah, it goes on the right side, and then, yeah, so then I stitched this closed, put the zipper on upside down like you do, and yeah, I had some snarling. I had a little bit of snarling due to a tight bobbin or something, but it's good enough for the back of an old cushion on an old decrepit chair. So yeah, I've got the zip on, and then I'm just going to blast that seam open with a ripper, a seam ripper. I'm going to go for a rip. That's step one of the whole cushion thing. That's the tricky one that needs a different foot, etc. There's my zipper. How the heck can I hold this and, no, that's not going to work. Well, just believe me, the darn thing works, okay? You can't zipper it with one hand. So yeah, functioning. This glue, spray adhesive, and a bunch of this stuff, fibrefill, and I bodged a nice glue job on top of this cushion. I did a piece along the back. I kind of wrapped it. It sticks good. So, you know, that gives me a smoother finish on my fibrefill. Hopefully I didn't expand it so much that it won't fit into my pre-cut, you know, pieces that I tried to make a pattern of. I'll just make the seams a little narrower to account for this extra bulk. And it's a lovely day. And my dog is barking for a treat down there from the neighbor. Oh, she's a pushy one. My zipper, good sides together. I'll stitch that round the bend at the back and piece together the others. Yeah, I'm not going to film the whole thing. It's a whole other, I could do a whole video and that would bore everyone. Hello. I'll film a little bit. I need glasses. I'm 66, damn it, need glasses. Around the bend, that's a little tricky. Tricky. It's gonna be puckered. It's just an old cushion. What the heck, eh? I don't love it. Oh, don't love it at all. There's wrinkled and puckered. stuff's okay. Keep hydrated. Back to the tricky part, Pucker City. Going around a 90-degree bend. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Right, that's it. So here we are. This is my 3D construction. These are the corners. They're a little bit puckery, but they do the turn. They get round. This side, not bad. The other corner, not perfect. Okay, so then I've got this big long piece here, this guy, and I'm going to attach it to both of these layers and wrap it around and around, so they'll be like Pucker City here and Pucker City there, and then find out what sort of dimension I need, what length I'm going to need, and then I'm going to just bloody attach them. This is the only thing I know. I have to put this on first, the zipper, and it wraps around. Bloody hell. I should have used a short one. So this is the known and this is the unknown, and when I get to that point, I will fix it. We're all pinned around the corner, goes back. That's a seam that I just had to have. And then here is the zipper end, and where it met up with the stuff coming from the other area, I just adjusted it and pinned it and thought that's where it meets, that's where I'll seam it. So I'm gonna just stitch this seam here, so we'll have a continuous piece of fabric going around. Then I'll get to the other side, and then I'll get to the underside. The saga continues. I got those corners done, and these I had a patch here and a bigger patch here. That's just how it happened. But yeah, I got around those funky little curves. And now to do the other side attachment. Making it up as I go, folks. Never done this before. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can't do it, you try harder. Okay. The final seam is pinned within an inch of its life. Look at all this. That's what happens when you're going around corners. Lots and lots of pins. Oh, exciting. I have no idea if this thing's gonna fit. I may be redoing parts. Off I go. All done. Let's turn it inside right and see if it fits. Right. So we're being honest here. It's baggy. Like old pair of mom jeans. It is baggy. Maybe I scrimped too much on the seams and should have been a little excessive, or a little bit, you know, take a little more. But I'm going to put it in a position over here, and you'll see when you tuck it in, you don't notice. And if I had, you know, more energy, I could pull it off and stitch it tighter, but I just haven't got it in me today. So let's have a go. Oh, look at this. Well, okay. When you tuck it in, it doesn't look bad. It looks like a real chair, like a fun little chair. This could be her final video, unless I do some more tightening one day. This could be it. And let me tell you, it is comfy as could be. Ethel, darling, you're finished. Woohoo! A little vintage chair, look at that. And she doesn't smell, and she's so comfy. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna sit in it. can't see my face, but it's happy. Yep, she's got good cushioning. Mwah. That's a kiss. A new day, fresh perspective, more energy. I'm going to try to tighten this puppy up. Look at that. That's the one side. Look how gathered it is on the back. Those are tricky stitches. You know what reminds me of a gyoza or a pot sticker or a ravioli. Anyway, I'm going to try. I'm only doing it on the one side, leaving this one as it is and just shoving it all a little tighter. Hi people, I'm signing off now. I'm going to show you what happened with this little cushion reduction. It looks okay. It's nice and snug now, so I'm happy about that. Let me just show you the other side though, really. Let's get down to reality here. Puckers. Okay, we'll call them intentional pleating. Okay, there's lots of that. A lot of intentional pleating. So the backside looks like a dog's breakfast, which dogs find quite tasty anyway. Anyway, it's turned out good. I'm going to put it on the old girl out here in the sunshine, and we'll see what a good little fit it is. It's very snug side to side, but oh my God, you would think some upholsterer had a hand in this. Good Lord, what a talented lady. And that's Ethel for you, Ethel for the world, for the win. Gorgeous.